everyone, I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm doing the cat food challenge. My sister dared me to eat whatever kind of pate cat food that is. Kids, do not try this at home because your parents do not want to pick up the puke.
And we looked it up, and it is safe to eat cat food.
This is safe to eat. I just don't ever want to see anyone do this.
You ready, Steve?
Oh.
We'll tell you the kind after he puts it in his mouth. Ready?
I smell it. Holy.
1, 2.
Oh.
You gotta swallow it.
Oh. Oh, Mom. Oh.
You're right, Steve.
It's stuck in my throat.
Do you need a drink of water?
It's all guys.
Oh, God. It is. Surprise, surprise. Salmon.
Okay. Okay.